Hi everyone, I'm Tracy and this is Cooking with Intention. Welcome to my kitchen. So today is a very, very special edition for me as I'm sharing my best friend's recipe. This is Jim's World Famous Meatloaf. It is amazing. It has been in my life for a very long time. Jim didn't want to be part of the video as it's not his gig, but it is mine. He's granted me permission to share with you this amazing recipe, which is always my intention, to share amazing food. So this is the recipe. However, it is in my description as well. I have 3 pounds of ground beef, 93% lean. I have 1 pound of the Sage Jimmy Dean sausage, but you can use any flavor that you like. 1 large diced onion, 5 eggs I'm gonna whip up, Sweet Baby Ray's, the original, 1/2 cup, the Beefy onion Lipton package, I'm gonna use 1 of those. I've got 1.5 cups of finely ground spicy Cheez-Its, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Mrs. Dash. And we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together, all of the wet ingredients together, and then mix them together very thoroughly. Make them into a loaf. Place them onto the center cut pepper bacon. What doesn't taste better with bacon? And then we're gonna line it with the bacon. We're gonna top it with the bacon and put it in the oven at 350 for 2.5 hours. I'm telling you. This is no ordinary recipe for meatloaf. It is amazing, and I am so grateful. Thank you, Jimmy, for letting me share this with everyone. Let's get started.